Good morning, friends and folks. Today I'm working on a pendant piece for my dear friend Sarah. She was gifted this stone by her grandmother and was hoping I could turn it into a beautiful pendant for her. So this week we're gonna kick back and relax with a quick little workshop video, and we're gonna jump right into it. I am so happy with how this turned out. I've made several custom pieces for Sarah already, and this very much so fits into the style that she usually loves, so I really hope she loves it. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. Feel free to leave me any questions or comments down below. And until next time, take care and be well.